Hello and welcome to the Storp Grand Prix. Today we are on a new track. I did about 5 minutes here practicing with new cars. Finally got the F4 cars. I know, crazy, I love them too. So it's just amazing how they look, especially from the far. Here this Grand Prix is in Sweden, and last time I believe Formula 1 was here was 97. Today on the agenda we have 5 minutes practice, 8 minutes qualifying, 12-minute race, and a debrief. What can I say about the track? The track layout looks very basic. Like, it doesn't look like much at all. But it's a very nice track. I really like this one. It is a mix of long, nice straights with some funny corners. Like this one and that one. It's just generally a nice track. Mr. Shahan here giving me a hard time. Yeah, someone went flying today. Also banking. It's not as steep as other banking corners like Zandvoort, but it's still steep enough. Ah, come on. Went a bit off there, but I still think we can do a good position. These cars have way more gears than I'm used to. Like in a Formula Junior cars, you actually use 5 gears. Here, and you change probably like very rarely. Here, on the smallest straight, you use the 4. Smallest straight. So it's a very interesting. Also, double shifting rewarded harder here. If I double shift, I'll probably go to oblivion. I really like these corner profiles. Oh, wait, I'm about to get kicked. Need to be careful. So, you have a minute to set a lap. I don't think nobody has done a lap yet. I don't believe they did. After they yield to the car behind, just because for some reason they're faster, but I can prove that I'm wrong.
Keeping you in check, keeping you obsessed. Play me on repeat, good to see in your head. Anytime it hurts, play another verse. I can be your sanctuary. No, I'm the only one right now. I will love you more when it all burns down. More than power, more than gold.
job, but how did he keep that? It's an amazing job, even though the damage here follows.
I close my eyes, I drift away
I said the
back to the sound of your laughter, like a sunny day. We painted stories, shade by shade, in a world that I made. And oh, time flies, but it can't steal the way I felt so those golden, golden days with you. Every moment felt brand new. We were spinning in a haze of pure gold, a story in my heart that never gets old. Yeah, they were golden. Yeah, I still remember our favorite song on the radio, singing along. We didn't need a reason or a plan, just the touch of your hand, holding my hand. And no time flies, but it can't steal the way I felt so real, so real. Those golden, golden days with you. Every moment felt brand new. We were spinning in a haze of pure gold, a story in my heart that never gets old. Yeah, they were golden. Yeah, they were golden. And if I had a time machine, you know I'd go right back to that glow, just to let you know.
So practice finished. I am pretty lost, sadly, but at least somewhere. On go qualified. Am I right? Like you get me what I'm trying better. Believe this is one of the tightest corners. Yeah, even though it's between corners classified, probably not. Yeah, I'm not even sure Raceroom has tire physics. Yes, to answer my own question, heating tire in Raceroom is beneficial and it does work. And what I'm doing right now is weaving, which is very good for the tire heating, but also another good thing is like braking harder and having a more aggressive racing style. But I'm just heating them up for beneficial reasons. Like, why won't you want to heat up your tires before quality? Usually this early braking that I was talking about really benefits, you know? And now having the clean track in front of me, quality could go good or awful, depends. I believe this is the hardest part for me. The banking. I don't know. Because even at the practice before I did recording, I believe I got off there. It's when I go off in these cars, it's not such a big deal. It's mostly just like going off in these cars is basically just to go a bit further, because this is a very not narrow track except for that pit lane corner. It's crazy. How am I supposed to do it? I mean, it's possible, but it's crazy. You see? Some corners like these are just forgiving, very forgiving. So you just took the barriers, just switch off. Yes, that's dangerous because that's a bit low and you don't really want to be hitting. It's pretty cool. Some cars haven't get off the on the track yet, which just blows my mind. But sure, waste your qualifying. This lap won't count, but a couple of next ones will. But if I get this lap right, so safe lap. I don't mind yielding, you know. I'd rather yield. Than okay, go man, go. What are you gonna do, die for me? Oh, you are. Maybe because I braked too hard? That's just the idea, man. That was the idea. Huh? What are you gonna do? Ooh. Sorry. Jesus. Do the safe lap, safe lap. Okay, so we have 3 minutes, so primarily about one good qualifying lap. That's crazy. But that's like one very good qualifying. And that means, let's hope my bumper wasn't cut off. Art a couple of seconds ago, because that's a strange sound. I mean, I don't have visualized side by side better tech, where his name is, I can't see it. Let's gain some slipstream in the straight. Thank you, man. Thank you. The sparks in this game, just beautiful. I mean, it really shows that they were very, very specifically made for this game. No, not really. It more looks like a generic spark effect in like a game studio. That's really good. I have to lock in. Sorry. No, my only quali lap. My only quali lap. No. Oh, no. My only quali lap. How could I ever do such a thing? Quali has 2 minutes left. If I stop sliding like absolute I might get back into it. I believe my suspension is broken. Actually, no. It doesn't seem broken. Even it seems right. I'm sure I put full. I guess it's just that one of my junior cars is way weaker. We're more behind in the technology compared to a Formula 4 car. Did not want to crash into that guy. Didn't feel like crashing. You saw what he did? I literally had no braking ball. Okay, maybe it's my fault. It's kind of this. Yield to which car? The car just passed corner. Last corner. Oh no, the Ferrari. if I say Ferrari, doesn't mean it's a Ferrari. It means it's a red call. You understand that? It's a red call. I believe my suspension is busted. Yes, just a tiny bit. Very deep dive bomb right there. Hello, man. Just don't break rules. That's what you get for bumping. Yeah. End of session, all that bad stuff. Another bad session for Gene. I mean, to be fair, first time on the car, first time on the track, not the worst result, especially the first practice lap. Mwah. Beauty. Complete beauty. Sadly, it's not a quali lap. And I will be very blessed if I even make it to my pit box. No, I am wrong. This is not spinning now. My suspension's busted. I'll work it out. Look. The suspension it's busted, but it's not busted. What was that? That was very strange. It's kind of like someone hit me, but you can see that. Hit me. I'll have to retire the call. Best lap 130. Let's get into the race. Qualifying, not the best for them. Are you mental? What? I know I'm not supposed to be on the grass, but I just got crashed out by another car. Why are my wheels in the air? Why is this pit lane so strange? Turn to garage, drive. Do I have to do a spinny? Man, what is this game? To do this. It's just this. No, I'm going backwards, man. thanks God this is a game. I wouldn't mind driving a 4. I wouldn't mind. I would love driving a 4. But I still have to work on it, so yeah. I don't care, I'm going. Disqualified? For what? Driving backwards? Wait a second. No. This can't be. This doesn't mean I got banned from the race, right? I drove backwards because of your stupid game. I know. Practically, yes, I could have done it. But still, I drove backwards because of your stupid game, man. Not because. Continue. I was disqualified. Oh. So we have reached the end. Sadly, got disqualified. No race. But we'll race next time. Until next time, take a like, leave a subscribe button, all that good stuff, and I'll guess race you soon.